I got one. Unbelievable. I never catch them on the outside pylon. Might be a sand bass. Oh, it's a monster crappie. An absolute monstrosity of a crappie. Hey, Verb, grab the net for me. Come on, come help Daddy. All right, put it down in the water. Come here, put the net in the water. All the way down. You gotta put it in the water. Like, quit fighting me. Put it in the water. There you go. Oh, now lift him up. Pick him up for Dada. Come on. Oh, look at this monstrosity, everybody. Holy cow, look at that.
Whoa.
That is a freaking huge crappie.
Is that him?
Yeah, I got him. And I never catch him on the outside poles like that. Never.
In there? Dada.
All right, let's see here. Pull back up over here where I can fish those outer poles again. Shut my lid. Shut my lid. Daddy's got to look at something. All right, let's see how people. Mouth shut. Oh, that is a 14 and almost, you can see right here, almost, well, it's a little over 14 and 3/4, almost 14 and 5/8, almost a 15-inch long absolute tank of a crappie on the lake today. Man, what a monster. All right, let's put him in here and you can go turn my water. All right, let me talk to y'all about what we're doing here today, people. I'm using 2 jigs. The bottom one is, they're both black and chartreuse now because that's what I'm catching the fish on. But oh, what is this one? The bottom one is a bonehead jig, which is much tougher, and I just threw a black and chartreuse Bobby Garland on here. I'm using 3 1/8 ounce heads. It is past, it's actually 15th of March, Ides of March today, and we are going bridge pylon to bridge pylon right now. I have no electronics on my boat. I know we're in 20-something foot of water, and I am reeling up 3.5 reels off the bottom, and that's where I got my first hit. I've caught a 14 and 5/8 inch long crappie and 3 others between 12 and 10 inches. So got some for frying, and we're just having a little bit of fun out here today, goofing around. We might even end up doing a little catfishing by the end of the day, but you know me, I'm an equal opportunity fisher. I just want to put meat in the grease or in the smoker or whatever we're gonna do. I'll go with my trolling motor. It ain't a big crappie, but it's a crappie. Yeah, Dad. And it might be a fryer crappie. No, I don't need those. No, I don't need those. All right, let's get the measure thing. Let's get the little measuring cup. Right here, get that. All right, all the Facebook game wardens out there. All right, that right there is 10 inches. Mouth is shut. He is in, and he's just over the 10-inch mark, which means he fries. Good job, monkey butt. Might be turning on a little. Huh? Okay. I don't know if he's going to go 10 inches or not. I don't think he is. That's why we have the measuring cup.
Dada. Dada.
What?
Dada.
What?
Dada. Dada. Dada, can you eat that?
I need that, yeah.
Dada.
Let me unhook him first, buddy.
Dada.
I got him. I'm coming. Thank you. The boy is very serious about his job of measuring fishies. Oh, yeah. Oh, shut your mouth, dude. Come on. He's so fat he didn't want to go in the cup all the way. Yeah, he's 10 and a half. That's fry and a half, people. Fry and a half. Going. That's a bigger fish. I don't have to measure that one, people. I like it. Oh. What the? I don't need that. He's too big.
Too big?
Yeah, he's bigger than the whole thing, see? He's bigger than the entire measuring cup. There's no need to measure him when he's bigger than the cup. I caught 2 off of that one pylon. That I like. Oh, you raising it? All right. How many we got in there now? How many fishies are in there?
1, 2, 3.
4. Good job. Yep, he's on my hook. Oh, I got a fish, too. I'm gonna laugh I got one on that shad, Verb. Nope. Got one under the shad. Hey, look, I got 2 fishies at once. I got a crappie, a shad, and a crappie.
What you got that for?
Put that in there. All right, let's see the fish measure. Hand me the fish measure. Let's see if he's 10 inches. Hand me the fish cup. Thank him, you. Oh yeah, he's 10. Over 10. We got here. Oh, what a tank. Another big old girl with some bite marks. Look at the fat. That's my hand width, so look at the fatness on that joker right there. But she's gonna fry. Two off the same piling. I don't think that was gonna make it. I don't think he's gonna make it. He might be 10, but I'm doubting it, seriously. All right. Let's see if the tin cup for 10 inches, people. Whoa, mouth closed, 10 it touches. On it like a bad rash. I got him. I raised up about another foot from where I had been fishing, and I pulled out another crappie. Actually 2 foot from where I had been fishing, maybe 3. But, you know, sometimes the days change and the fish move, so move with the fish or don't catch them. Earlier today, one of the other guys fishing told me he's catching them in a 5-foot range. I've been fishing the same range the whole time, but something told me just try out a different spot, different depth, and it paid off. Dropped it down lower and got hit. Don't think he's very big. He is not. Don't know if he's gonna go 10. It ain't looking good. Nope. Bye-bye. I started jigging up higher on this one, and then when I dropped it down right below the water, but it's also blowing the back of my boat into the bridge, so I'm gonna have to switch sides of these pylons. Good grief, another. Man. Oh, better fish. Don't think I'm gonna have to measure this one. What was that? No, I thought it was y'all. It wasn't me. Oh, that's 5 off of this bridge right here. Good hit. Good grief, they're turning on right here towards dark. They're going crazy. And they are just, hey, black-nosed crappie, everybody. I catch them pretty often, but it's still pretty cool to see them. Some people call them mohawks because of the stripe right there. It goes all the way down under the chin. I just think they're a cool looking fish. Man, they are just on fire right now. That ain't gonna keep. Ain't gonna keep on that one. But man, it's still fun to just smack them drop after drop after drop. Just what? Good grief. What is going on here for me? All right, let's see. Head down, go. Yeah, people, they made little runs all day where they, you know, showed to be active and hitting, but nothing like this. Whoa, that scared the crud out of me. Oh man, what a hit. He's fighting like a good one. Oh yeah. Good grief, what a crappie. People, I hadn't shut the camera off for 5 fish, but look at the width of that dude. Hey everybody, Scott with All Out Outdoors, out here on Lake Tawakoni today doing a little bridge fishing. Just wanted to show y'all some of these tank crappie that I've pulled off the bridge. I know that this crappie right here is 14 and 5/8 inches long. It is just some tanks out here today. Really just turned on in this last thing. I think I caught 8 crappie off these 2 bridge pilings right here, just hammered one after the other after the other. So it's been a great day. Black and chartreuse jigs, 3.5 reels off the bottom. So appreciate y'all watching.
Versus stripe, but stripe.
Okay.